Monkey turned 63 years old. Everyone's saying, wait until 67. If you wait, you'll be able to buy more bananas. If you withdraw now, you'll lose money. The monkey thought he did the calculations. He discovered something. Wait? Sometimes waiting is stupid. The system wants you to wait. 67 is the right age. You'll earn more. But nobody tells you the truth, what you lose when you wait and how much that wait costs. Monkey will show you 5 reasons to figure it out at 63. Not before, not after, now. Reason 1. Since I was 28, every single month's salary, they took 6.2%. You didn't even see it. The company took another 6.2%. 35 years, straight to the government. It's not charity, it's not aid, it's your money. Now you want to withdraw it. The system says, wait another 4 years. Why? You already paid. Wait any longer? That's just letting your money sit idle. Take it back. Reason 2. Break-even point. Cash out at 63, $1,500 per month. Wait until 67, $2,000 per month. Sounds better, right? But it's not. Monkey explains. 4 years waiting equals $0 received. 4 years withdrawing equals $72,000 already in my pocket. When will the 67-year-old monkey catch up to you? At 78 years old. 15 years later. Are you going to live to 78? I hope so, but guarantee $72,000 now or bet on living to 78. Monkeys choose guaranteed. Reason 3. Health. Statistics don't lie. At 63, you can travel. At 67, maybe. At 70, good luck. Monkey's friend waited 67. He planned a trip to Europe. 3 months later, his knee got bad. Trip canceled. $2,000 a month. But stuck at home, $1,500 a month. Traveling the world. Which is worth more? Reason 4. Part-time work is allowed. But if I withdraw, I can't work. Lie. You can work. You can earn up to $21,240 per year without losing benefits. Social Security, $1,500. Part-time, $1,500. Total, $3,000 per month. At 63, active, earning, living. Reason 5. Inflation. Wait 4 years to earn $500 more. But in 2027, $2,000 buys what $1,500 bought in 2023. Average inflation, 3.2% per year. 4 years equals 13% loss. Your greater benefit? It's worth less. 63 isn't for everyone, but if you've worked 30 plus years, you're healthy now, you want to live now, then wait. That's leaving money on the table. The decision isn't tomorrow. The decision is now. At 63 or at 67, guaranteed or a gamble. To live or to wait, your choice. The monkey has already chosen.